That is my bird bath. It's got to be 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet of snow. See that black speck there? That is a goose, a wooden goose planter. All of my crows are beneath the snow. See the bottle tree in the neighbor's cabin. Wow, look at all the woodpeckers. My goodness. Those are the downy woodpeckers. Or wait, the one with its back to us is a downy. The one on the suet is a hairy. Those are finch. Let's see if I can find. This little guy down in the snow, that's a chickadee. I haven't seen the cardinal today. They're my favorite little birds. They're so friendly. They'll come and feed out of your hand or off your hat. That is a tufted titmouse. Driftwood suncatcher, natural ice suncatcher. Look at the line of icicles. Look at the truck.